Safety. For traditional window cleaners, it can be a matter of life or death, which may be one of the reasons why you are considering a water-fed pole system. But how can you be certain that you're not putting yourself or your staff at an even greater risk of suffering a serious accident or even death? Traditionally, a window cleaner would use a bucket of water and a ladder. However, the use of ladders is now subject to many restrictions. In 1995, OTT developed mobile water treatment systems to work with water-fed poles. The system enables cleaning technicians to safely reach and wash windows at heights of up to 65 feet, that's 20 meters, in total safety, whilst allowing window cleaning tasks to be completed up to 75% faster than using a traditional ladder system. Our manufacturing process is based at our headquarters in Wiltshire. Established in 1991, Over the Top Limited were the first to develop pure water or ionic water-fed pole window washing equipment, and are now the largest manufacturer of ionic window cleaning equipment in the world. When investing in new technology, it pays to go to a company with a reputation you can trust. Working to the highest engineering standards and using only quality materials, we manufacture reach and wash systems that are installed into customers' vehicles at one of our nationwide network of fitting centres. The reach and wash system consists of 5 stages of filtration mounted to a stainless steel component chassis which houses a pure water holding tank of up to 1,000 litres capacity. When full, a 1,000-litre reach and wash system weighs 1.2 tons, but when subjected to a head-on road traffic accident at just 50 kilometres per hour, this weight effectively increases to over 52 tons, or 52,000 kilograms force. At OTT, we consider that you are at greater risk of being involved in a road traffic accident than of falling from a ladder. So having removed a major risk factor from your working life, why replace it with an even greater danger? When designing the component chassis for the reach and wash system, its performance under crash conditions was a major factor, and great care has been taken to ensure that the energy released in a crash is absorbed by a carefully designed energy-absorbing chassis which absorbs crash forces by deformation, rather like the crumple zones built into modern cars. Such deformation reduces the load transmitted to the mounting points and prevents the 1.2-ton unit from being torn from the van floor, which could result in catastrophic injury. OTT have a background of engineering safety-related products, so we understand the importance of appropriate product testing by independent agencies. Therefore, we approached Thatcham and asked them to test a van fitted with a 1,000-litre reach and wash system against a van with a system supplied by and fitted out by one of our competitors. Thatcham initially carried out a series of non-destructive development tests on the reach and wash system tank, using their £1 million Hyper-G testbed, and found that the reach and wash system could withstand impact speeds in excess of 50 kilometers per hour. Then Thatcham devised a full vehicle crash test based on the American Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 208. This would be a destructive test in which the van would be impacted into a 100-ton concrete block at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Such a test requires considerable preparation for both vehicles. This included checking the weight, painting with a non-reflective material to aid high-speed filming, applying decals to assist in the assessment of deformation, setting up the crash test dummies, and attaching instrumentation to the vehicles to measure the forces exerted during the impact tests. The OTT van was now ready for impact. The severity of the test is obvious from the amount of damage to the front of the van. However, during the impact, the high-speed cameras show that the tank remained securely fixed to the vehicle floor. It was a different story with the competitor's system. Subjected to an identical test, the cameras show how the competitor's tank tears free from its mounting, striking the back of the driver's and passengers' seats. Imagine the consequences if this had been you or one of your staff. That's all very well in the controlled environment of Thatcham's crash laboratory, but what about the real world? OTT have fitted more reach and wash systems into vans in the UK than any of our competitors. Yet as these photographs show, in real working conditions, our tanks have stayed securely mounted to the vehicle, however serious the accident, protecting the driver from injury and their businesses from liability for poor health and safety provision. OTT products don't only shine when it comes to quality of manufacture, fitting and safety, but also in the quality of the water they produce. Our systems produce demineralized water that results in a smear-free finish. The ionic cleaning action of the water means that windows stay cleaner longer. Traditional methods leave a soapy residue on glass which actually attracts dirt back to it. The quality of water produced by the reach and wash system has been independently verified by the Water Research Council. So if you want a system that has been proven to have been designed and built for safety, if you want to benefit from dealing with a company that has over 7 years' experience in the field of ionic cleaning solutions, if you want to work with the company that originated the reach and wash concept and is continually innovating for your benefit, and if you want to be able to compete effectively with more than 1,000 other companies that are cleaning windows with our systems, there is only one choice: go over the top.